During the mid-1800s and the 1860s, the prisoners from the Rangariri land wars were incarcerated on Kaua Tūmaro, Kaua Island. And through our whakapapa and our connections and our long-lasting relationships with the Waikato Tainui people, we helped those prisoners escape from Kaua onto the mainland here on this ferry beach, some of them, and kept them up into our pā up on Tamahonga. And they resided there for approximately 12 months. While they were there, we looked after them under the protection of our Kawai Rangatira Te Kiri and under the people of Ngāti Manuhiri. And those strong connections still last today with Tainui Waikato.